Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to move a sheet to a workspace here in Smartsheet. Alright, so first up, make sure that you own the sheet and have admin level permissions in the target workspace. Okay, now once you have that cleared, you can now go ahead and click on Browse. This is the first option. Okay, select from one of your workspace in here. Now once done, in the right panel, you should be able to see a list of workspaces as well. Just double click on one where your sheet is located. Now, as you can see here, I have an untitled workspace. This is basically new. Now, let's say I'm going to move the source sheet to the untitled workspace. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just click and hold onto source, and then I'm going to drag it right here to untitled workspace. Like so, as you can see here, it says workspace members will be shared to the items. Do you wish to continue? Hit on OK. Now when we go ahead and check it out, as you can see, we have the source sheet here. Now going back to the main workspace, as you can see, the source sheet is now gone in here. Now if you just want to copy it, just click on it, click on Actions. You'll have to either save it as a template, okay, or export it to an Excel file, PDF, or Google Sheets. I'm going to go ahead and export it as an Excel file. I'm going to save it on my desktop, save. Now I'm going to open up the specific workspace, okay? This main workspace where we once had the source sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Workspace, and then I'm going to click on Import from Microsoft Excel, select, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Source, Open, continue, wait for it, and here we have the data. Select the primary column, include formulas if you want to, and then just hit on Import. And there you have it. We have the source in here, and we'll go ahead over to the new workspace. We should have the source sheet here as well. And there you have it. That is how you move a sheet to a workspace here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.